So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a Roblox account for free. So first you're going to copy the link in the description. It's going to take you to here. Then you can press subscribe here. I'm logged in as myself, so you want to press subscribe, but I'm gonna get canceled because it's myself. I just press subscribe and see you can't subscribe to yourself, so it's gonna say subscribe. So after you subscribe, you go back to the site, continue, and it's gonna ask for your full name. Just put something like yeah, just put your full name. So, put the email, put your email, okay, put your email in, wait, go see, that you want to go here. Oh. Let's control B. Save. Then you're done, you got 2 entries. Total entries, bro. Then you're done right here. So, you're done. So, I'm gonna put a link in the description for this website right here.